Hi folks, this is Jordan at Volcon, and we're here to bring you another update as we promised last time. So we have been doing a lot in the last couple weeks. Namely, we went to Pueblo, Mexico, where our manufacturing facility is located, and we got to spend a couple days reviewing all of the readiness, all of our machinery, our tooling, and see what's going on in terms of production capacity. And the good news is we are on track for an October production start and delivery. As you can see in some of these pictures and videos, we've got our chassis in production, our suspension in production, we've got body panels in production, and we've even installed our gantry and hoist system for the production cycles. We've also got some awesome news coming in the next couple weeks about our options and trim packages and what you can expect in terms of the vehicle look and feel and design, as well as accessories. And we might even have a limited edition coming that will be very, very limited. Like, you're gonna wanna order it as soon as you find out about it. Thanks for being part of our journey. Thank you for your patience. If you wanna stay up to speed on where we're at, visit our website and be on the lookout for more update videos in the near future. Thanks.